Huh. All right. So I got this. This is the well, it's a 431. This is the Canadian Tourist Suitcase 431 that I got in that group of stuff that I picked up on Canada Day weekend, which was not the Monday just gone by, which was Memorial Day in the U.S. It was the Monday prior to that, because you know our holidays, they never fall at the same time. But we had quite a bit of a malfunction here with this valve. Someone had tried to take it out. Now I don't know if you guys in the States are even familiar with the Easy Light, but it can be problematic at best. The O-rings, right? 11, 12. We're gonna give it 30, 35 pumps. Well, there's 40. Check valve looks good, but I tried to light it the way it was, and all indications were that one of the O-rings was leaking terribly. So I spent a little time. I actually, it's kind of weird what happened, because somebody had taken the valve knob off, and they'd probably taken the generator off and unscrewed the generator needle and taken the spring out. But when they pulled the mechanism that goes through into the fuel pickup tube and runs the needle in the fuel pickup tube, they didn't get it back in correctly. So it was just a big mess. And when I put it back together proper, I thought, you know what, I'll take a chance, see if the O-rings are okay. So right now, it's actually not leaking. It was leaking when it was turned off before. But I'm just gonna heat the generator up and we'll see what happens here. This stove obviously needs a bunch of cleaning up, but let's see what happens. Try not to singe our hair. That's sounding pretty good. Already a blue flame. Okay, we're on high. It's chuffing. It needs to be cleaned out. This stuff needs to be all rotted out here. But let's find out what happens with the other burner. Yep, goes right away, no problem. So it's not leaking. It's just acting a little odd. But here, let me bring you over here and you can have a look at this. Kind of a little crooked there, but yeah, the grill needs to be cleaned up. These are going to need cleaning. That's not too bad. It's like I said, surface scabs. There's a little bit of stuff going on in the back. It's not rotted through or nothing, but hey, I think that Easy Light system is going to work now. I do not see a single drip. I got an older style cap on because I couldn't find a one-piece cap that would seal them. I got a bunch of gaskets. I just got to get around to doing the one-piece caps. They're a bit of a nightmare, but there's the brand of the stove. The Canadian Coleman Model 431. It's a lot like you guys, the same thing down the States, a lot like the 425 from the States. But that looks like it's working pretty good. I think I dated this stove at, it says January of 1979. So, yeah. All right, well, I'm going to let this run for a little while. Just because I want to be sure that, when the heat starts coming out into the fount, like through the generator, that there isn't any leaks. And that was my biggest concern, was when I'd shut this thing off, after it had run before, it would just drip, 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 drip. Right here, it was dripping. Right out in behind this knob, drip, 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 drip. It was bad. And when I pulled the O-ring out, it was stiffer than a new broom. It like literally broke in my hand. So I had some, I put a new one in. But yeah, just another piece brought back to existence. And you know, in a pinch, if somebody wanted it, like, you know, give it over to one of your friends and make sure they got their own fuel, because I'm not giving away my fuel. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for taking a look. And we'll back up a little bit here. I hope you guys all have a good evening. Work was busy today. Didn't get home till a bit later. Did a few phone calls. And then I decided I'd sit down in front of the TV set and get that thing fixed. And well, it's fixed, I think, but I won't know until I shut it off. Here, let's see what happens. I'll shut it off and we'll see what happens. If it drips, and if it's going to drip at all, it's going to be dripping out of here terrible. So it's on high, goes back to the light position, then the off position, and I don't see a single drip. Nice. Look at that. We'll just turn it back on. It was quite happy to light again. It was hot enough. Alrighty. We'll close the auxiliary up. You hear that chuffing, eh? They get like that when they're starving for air. I have a feeling there's something in the air path that's not enough to block it, but it's enough to restrict it. All right, guys, once again, thanks very much for taking a look at my channel. And I hope you all have a great evening. It's beautiful weather here right now, man. It is just gorgeous. Perfect day to hang outside. Nice, really nice surroundings. The farmer come along here not that long ago and planted them fields. Those things will be starting to grow soon. There's my bird, I like to bring him outside sometimes. He likes to go outside here when it rains. I move the cage out and I put him in there, and he's just in there just having a ball, wagging his wings. But all right, we're gonna let that burn, and I'll talk to you guys later. Keep them lit, everyone. Keep them lit. We're out of here.